Story Nest.
A wide shot reveals an enchanted forest, its once vibrant foliage now muted and gray under a dim sky. In the foreground, Bella the bunny, with her soft white fur and worried brown eyes, stands beside Freddie the fox, whose usually fiery red coat appears dull and ashen. They look towards a faint, colorless arc, barely visible in the distance. Bella and Freddie venture deeper into the grayscale woods. Sunlight struggles to penetrate the canopy of lifeless trees. They pass withered flowers with brittle stems and silent, motionless birds perched on branches, all devoid of color. Bella hops anxiously ahead, her nose twitching, while Freddie, with a determined glint in his eye, carefully navigates the uneven terrain. They arrive at a murky pond where a sad-looking willow tree weeps colorless tears. The water reflects the dull sky. Suddenly, a tiny shimmering scale, no bigger than Bella's paw, catches their eye near the water's edge. It pulses with a faint internal luminescence, holding a single vibrant speck of emerald green. Following a trail of these faint, colorful scales, Bella and Freddie find themselves in a hidden grove. In the center, resting on a mossy pedestal, lies the lost rainbow, not a vibrant arc in the sky, but a collection of delicate shimmering crystals, each radiating a single hue. However, several crystals are missing, leaving gaps in the colorful array. Working together, Bella's keen eyesight spots a fallen sapphire crystal nestled amongst the roots of an ancient tree, and Freddie's agility allows him to reach a ruby crystal perched high on a rocky ledge. As they carefully place the recovered crystals back into the rainbow, vibrant colors begin to seep back into the grove, painting the leaves green, the flowers in a riot of hues, and the returning birds with brilliant plumage. The complete rainbow crystals now glow brilliantly, casting a dazzling spectrum of light across the revitalized forest.